Hello children, this is my second science video for you guys. Today we're going to be making an exploding lunch bag. So for this you will need a few bits of equipment, and here they are. You will need some baking powder or bicarbonate of soda, some regular vinegar this time, a little bag, and a big bag. Also be useful to get yourself one of these and one of these, a measuring jug and a teaspoon. Okay, fill your jug to 60 millilitres with some warm water. Now 60 millilitres is quite a tricky amount, but if you just look there, there's a 100 label. And you want the water to come a little bit above halfway. It doesn't have to be exact. And what you're going to do then is get your big bag and simply pour your warm water into it, like that. Be careful not to spill any. Then get your vinegar and pour in about twice as much as you did with the water, so about 120 millilitres. So the vinegar should be reaching about that line there, just there, which is the 120 interval, because each one of these lines are 20. Get that vinegar and add it to your water in the bag. You should now have a bag with water and vinegar mixed, and it will look a little bit like that. Now get your little bag and you need to put 3 teaspoons of baking soda into it. No more, no less. In it goes. Number 2. Number 3. Then seal it. Now we should have the big bag with the water and vinegar in it and a little bag with the baking soda in it. Drop that in there, and then you're going to need to seal the big bag. Okay, super important that at this point you now go outside and you can see that I've got my vinegar and water solution there, I've got my little bag there, and I've got my big bag here. Now this bit's the trickiest bit. What you'll need to do is you'll need to make it so that this bag opens up or bursts, the little bag, but the big bag stays sealed. I'm going to try that now and hopefully we'll see a reaction. Okay, is everyone ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the bag's burst. Let's see what happens.
Daddy?
Oh. Okay, so that didn't work because the bag burst. So what we're going to do now is try a different method. I've got some white vinegar this time and the warm water. We're going to put that in this bag. Yeah, that's holding it, so the bag's not burst. And this time, I didn't want to do this before because I thought there would be mess everywhere, but hey, it's science. So this time, I'm going to use some kitchen roll. Some bicarbonate of soda. And then I'm hoping that what will happen is I don't need to tread on it. The bicarbonate of soda will just emerge from here. So let's go outside.
Yeah. Nothing bad. Good. Hey, what's this? Daddy's going up to space. Daddy's going up to space. Daddy must be going up to space.
So third time's a charm. We're going to pour, we've gone back to brown vinegar. I'll try not to spill it everywhere. Our brown vinegar and water solution into a bottle this time so we can actually see something. We're ending with a completely different experiment to what we started off with, But again, that's the unpredictability of science, and it's still the same science. We're still looking at the same reaction. So, everyone ready? Watch what happens when the bicarbonate of soda hits the vinegar. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh wow, and there we go. Look, as the vinegar reacts with the bicarbonate of soda, it's expanding, and all that gas, that carbon dioxide, is getting pushed out. And that's what pushes all the air out of the solution, out of the reaction.
Bubbles.
And that was what was expanding the bag.
Daddy, I do. Mommy, don't toad. Mommy, don't toad.
Okay, so you know what? We didn't quite get the reaction we wanted to get out of this experiment today. 3 attempts. You could see what was going on in that particular experiment. And you could see the vinegar reacting with the bicarbonate of soda, and it was having a chemical reaction. But it didn't quite work the way we wanted it to. Never mind, that happens sometimes with experiments, doesn't it? Maybe the baking soda, maybe there wasn't enough, maybe it wasn't the right type of vinegar, maybe I should have used cleaning vinegar. Never mind, I have got a clip for you of it working really well. So let's watch that, then I'll quickly explain a bit of the science, and then that'll be it for this week. So I'm just going to let Science Bob show you what this could have looked like.
You're just going to squeeze that so it pops. Okay. And then you're probably going to want to put it down on the table here. So squeeze it real hard.
I'll try.
Do it. You can do it. We believe in you. There you go.
There you go.
And then you see it starts building up the gas.
Oh, that's so
and
fun.
building up. You can see how much gas it builds up. It's actually quite a bit, and it
Is that gonna
gets
pop in a
under a
second?
lot of pressure. Well, probably not unless you like give it a little stir like that. Oh, see?
Okay.
And then that happens.
So in terms of how it works, I kind of hinted at it earlier, but it's all to do with carbon dioxide. So the bicarbonate of soda and the vinegar combine together and mix really interestingly to make an acid-base reaction, which actually creates carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide keeps getting created, and it needs a lot of room. So it keeps expanding and expanding and expanding until eventually the bag completely pops because the carbon dioxide needs more room than the bag is giving it. Really hope you enjoyed this week's science experiment. Really looking forward to doing one next week for you as well. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.